The cost of equipping a student athlete easily could be in the thousands a year, and investors react to the end of the government shutdown. Jane King is at the New York Stock Exchange with those stories and more in today's Morning Business Report.
Good morning. Stock futures starting the day higher after President Trump signed the funding bill ending the 43-day government shutdown. This after the House approved the temporary spending bill. The reopening should boost first quarter growth next year by 2.2%. That's according to the CBO. But about $11 billion in economic activity will be permanently lost. Not every American will get the $2,000 tariff dividend. Treasury Secretary Scott-Bessent says it will likely be directed to Americans making less than $100,000. Even if the $2,000 payments were narrowed to those people making less than $100,000, it would still have roughly $300 billion price tag, according to the Tax Foundation. Well, the Dow closed at a record high for a second day in a row. It's the first time the Dow's ever been over 48,000. It's the 17th record close for the Dow this year. Well, candles are a top gift for the holidays, and in fact 35% of annual sales happen from Black Friday to Christmas Day. And indeed, the global scented candle market is projected to rise to $768 million by 2030 from $571 million in 2023. That's according to Grandview Research, a consulting company in San Francisco. Now, with budgets tight this year, some see candles as an affordable yet still elegant gift. And any parent of a student athlete knows the costs. Conducted by Talker Research for bsn-sports, the study found the average athlete needs new equipment 3 times a year, spending an annual total of $313. And 1 in 9 spend upwards of $500. Now, for 64%, jerseys and gear are worth the financial and emotional investment because they represent pride and progress, and 9 in 10 see the time and money spent on sports as an investment in the player's future, with coaches and parents especially understanding this value. From the New York Stock Exchange, I'm Jane King with your Morning Business Report.